Hello everyone, my name is Sarah Syaputri with NPM 2441202A in class AKT20A. In this video, we will discuss about market structure. Definitions of market structure. Market structure is a term used in economics to describe how a market for a product or service is organized or operated. In other words, market structure is a way of describing the characteristic and dynamics of the relationship between buyers and sellers in a market. Market structure reflects how companies and individuals compete with each other in marketing their products or service. Market structure factors. Factors that determine market structure: first, the number of companies in the market. Second, the type of goods traded. Other factors that support market structure are the ease of companies entering the market, the ability of sellers and buyers to influence the market, and the information and knowledge of sellers and buyers regarding the market they face. Types or market structure. Number one is perfect competition market structure. A perfect competition market structure occurs when there are equally many sellers and buyers, and the product offered tend to be homogeneous or similar. The way no seller or buyer has the power to influence price. Example of perfect competition market in Indonesia include the market for rice products, the vegetable and food market, the capital market, and the clothing market. The characteristics of a perfect competition market structure include: there are many sellers and buyers, homogeneous products, good product information, no barriers for market players to enter or exit, small individual market power, the economic profit obtained by the seller is close to zero or normal. Types of market structures. Number two is monopoly market structure. A monopoly market structure is a condition where there is only one seller in the market for a certain types of products so that no other party becomes a competitor. This type of market will have many buyers. Generally, products for monopoly market gain a lot of profit because they are the only price takers, and other producers who want to enter the market will find it difficultly. An example of a monopoly market in Indonesia is the State Electricity Company. Characteristic of a monopoly market: there is no company produce a certain product. The products produced tend not to have supplied products. There are barriers to entering the monopoly market. Products can influence product pricing. No need to spend more budget for promotion. Types of market structure. Number three is oligopoly market structure. An oligopoly market structure occurs when there are only a few sellers or producers and a large number of buyers. Sellers in this market have the power of influence price but are not as free as in a monopoly market. Example of oligopoly markets in Indonesia such as the cigarette industry, telecommunication operators, and the aviation industry. Characteristic of an oligopoly market is there are only a few sellers, usually two or three. The product offered can be homogeneous or heterogeneous or different. The price of the product is determined by the owner of the large share. The price of the product tends to be the same. The level of competitor can strengthen or weaken depending on the competitors. Types of market structures. Number 4 is monopolistic market structure. In a monopolistic market, there are many sellers who offer homogeneous products. However, the products sold by each producer differ in terms of quality, shapes, and size, so that the determination of the price will generally still be determined directly by the seller. Example of monopolistic market in Indonesia include the automotive industry, electronic industry, cosmetic and beauty care industry. Characteristics of a monopolistic market include a large number of producers or sellers having similar product but with different characteristics. Product competition is not based on price but on quality, design, and the advantages of each product. There are no barriers to entering and exiting the market. That's all from me. Thank you for watching this video.